Welcome to Ishigaki, an island in the chain of Okinawa in Japan. This is a port on Holland America's 28-day Asia cruise. We were going from Singapore to Japan to Yokohama. Shuttle buses ran from the port to this bus terminal to get you to the town center. The bus terminal was a good place to use the ATM. A short walk away was this covered shopping area, and we really enjoyed it. Lots of good souvenirs. We stopped for lunch here, and we just had a really pleasant day with beautiful weather. Snakes in bottles of alcohol, not a souvenir that I'd be bringing back home, but interesting. Felt safe walking around Ishigaki and had no safety concerns. This small temple is about a 15-minute walk from the town center. Found it to be peaceful. Southernmost temple in all of Japan. So we made our way back to the bus station to get on the shuttle buses to get back to the ship. And this footage is from the Holland America cruise ship, but check out the beautiful landscape of Ishigaki. The white sand and the pretty blue water. Ishigaki is the main transportation and commercial hub of the Yokohama Islands. If you had the time, this would be the perfect base for island hopping. Hope we get back someday. The currency in Okinawa is the Japanese yen. Beautiful Ishigaki, Okinawa, Japan. The island has a population of around 49,000 people. Ishigaki, the island, is 86 square miles, and it's slightly smaller than the city of Atlanta. Ishigaki is Okinawa's southernmost city. Well, it's off to the next port with Holland America, and it's Naha, Okinawa. Get out there and keep traveling, my friends.